Today we're going to show you how to fix any fishing rod, and if you guys don't believe us, well, just watch. The rod broke in several places. What we're doing right now is going through each one of them and repairing. We already did one down here. Yeah, we use some pretty crazy stuff. I can't show you guys what it's called because it's not safe to use at home, but yeah, it works really well. Obviously, it's super fast.
Some nice super glue. Alright, so, well, first of all, you want to shove as many flattened, thick paper clips into the middle to give it some strength. Then close it, and then from there, put the super glue down. You may be asking, why not just super glue it and not waste your time on the paper clips? Well, if you just do that, it's just gonna fall. And why not use Elmer's glue? Well, your fishing rod will get wet if you're a prize fisherman family.
And if you guys don't believe us, it's kind of like that thing where you go fish with peanut butter or cigarette butts.
So just take the super glue and you want to get enough on there that it sticks for good. Hear ye, hear ye. So once you have enough there, it should glue eventually. But if you run it a little farther up, hopefully it'll run down the rod. Because you also don't want it to drip down. But I also forgot is make sure you're keeping these aligned. Because obviously that's just pointless if you don't. If you get any on your hands, I mean I get them all on my hands all the time, nothing really matters. So just make sure they're pretty well aligned there. And then just, I guess, let that sit for 24 hours. I know you fishermen want to get out there tonight, but you're going to have to get a different one, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, you just pretty much after that, you want it to sit, hopefully in parts that the glue isn't at, so you're not just gluing it to where you sit down the rod. But that's it for this video. This works for any fishing rod from any era. Even if you just use a stick, you just shove the paper clips in the middle of it. So yeah, this was Fisherman's Pro with Miracle Whip and Oyster Carburetor. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.
Alright, this is how to fix any kind of fishing rod. That rod broke in a few places here. Just going to show you guys what to do with it. And like I said, this goes for any fishing rod.
You're first going to want to shove a trillion flattened out paper clips to give it some strength again. Because if you just flat out glued it back together, it's just going to easily snap again. I'm not already experienced with that. It's just a waste of time. So save yourself the loved one. Alright, back to the main news course.
This is after you put the paper clips in there, exactly 1 trillion times more paper clips to reinforce the rod. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this goes for any fishing rod. What we're doing right now is we're adding a little bit of the Hugo super glue. Keep a straight face with this shit.